Hi there, everybody. Welcome back to another edition of Hoppin' to It with Bill Jr. here at Kanga Roof. Really excited today because this is a big announcement day for us. I'm excited to share with everyone that we have added to the Kanga Roof team, specifically with our business development position, and we are welcoming what we now term Kanga Kathy to the team.
Hi, Bill. Hi, everybody. Thank you so much. I'm so excited to be here. It's been a long time coming.
Absolutely. We've been so excited that you've been able to join the team here, and it's been one of the things that we've been really anxious to share with all of you out there. From our standpoint as a family-run business, Kathy really does already feel like a part of the family because we have worked and been associated with her for a while, but I don't want to steal her thunder. Kathy, why don't you tell all of our great clients and followers a little bit about you and your story about how you came to be here at Kanga Roof.
Okay. I have been independent now for some time, probably close to 10 years. And in that, I did a lot of networking with the Macomb County Chamber. I'm an ambassador in that, and the Anchor Bay Chamber, which I'm on the committee there as well. And just throughout my networking and everything, every time I needed a flat roof guy or a big guy like that, the word on the street, it kept coming back, Kanga Roof. You got to see Bill. You got to see Bill. They do a great job. So I did throw some work Bill's way, and we interacted on some jobs, and I saw the potential in them, and he saw the potential in me, and thought it would be a great fit. And here in 2019 is where we're starting out.
Absolutely. And I got to share with the homeowners, one of the things we love best about Kathy is your commitment to your clients. Mm-hmm. One of the things that always stood out to us was how much you really invested yourself and your care into each and every homeowner and business owner that you dealt with. And as you know, and as you've come on board here, that commitment to our clients is really a defining characteristic for Kanga Roof. You know, we joke about it. We hop to it to help, but that's everything, right? We want to help people.
Right.
And I know that was something that resonated with you.
Yes, and I did see that in Bill. I saw that in your dad early on. And I loved that in him because I have the same mentality.
Yep.
I love to take care of the homeowners. They're the important ones. They're the ones who are uneasy about everything that's going around them, going on. So they need somebody, they need comfort and they need knowledge.
Yep.
And I pretty much bring a lot of the comfort and some knowledge, and you guys obviously bring all the knowledge.
Absolutely. And the hard work.
And the hard work.
That's right.
Yep.
Well, we're excited about it. And Kathy, one of the things I would ask you to do is maybe share with, as you look towards 2019, now that you're part of the team, which has been an adjustment for you, right?
Yes.
But it's an exciting part of it. But when you look forward to 2019, what most excites you about your opportunities now that you're here part of Kanga Roof?
So many things. The opportunity for extra networking, the opportunity to meet more people, to bring on bigger clients. The marketing level that you guys are now going to is exciting. I'm totally excited about that. And all the new ventures that we can do in 2019, and I'm excited for every one of them.
Absolutely, and that's a key thing. Is every year here at Kanga Roof, we always are striving to do something more, learn something more, offer something new to our clients. You know, a lot of folks always forget. You know, we're not just roofing.
Right.
We're roofing, insulation, siding, windows, gutters, doors. So there's a lot of things that we can help them with. And I know you've already been working with a lot of property managers on their maintenance programs and things like that.
Yep, sure have.
Well, for everyone out there, you know, one of the great things is that you're now going to start to see Kathy out and about in the communities. And what I'm really excited about, too, is the wealth of information that she brings when it comes to major weather events. Because in Michigan, especially in the spring and occasionally in the winter with the ice storms, we do get them.
Yes,
right?
We definitely get them.
And maybe share with some homeowners, you know, a little bit about your backstory there and what you bring to the table as far as helping the homeowner on the insurance side of it.
Okay. A lot of times the insurance companies, I don't want to say that, you know, they're not there 100% for the homeowner, but they're mainly for themselves, where we are for the homeowner.
Right.
And so there's different information and laws and regulations that maybe they won't share with the homeowner that I already know, that I've shared with you guys, that we can go forward and seriously give the best benefit to the homeowner.
Yeah, and I think that's what it's all about from us too here at Kanga. We want to make sure we maximize the benefit for the homeowner, maximize the protection, make sure they are truly made whole for any loss that they have.
Right, right.
So,
And actually, I do have a lot of insurance companies, agents, adjusters who do call me for my opinion on specific homes, or do call me to say, hey, I love the way you take care of the homeowners. I would really like you to take care of this one that I have. I get that a lot as well.
yeah. Well, and that's one of the cool things from my chair and part of the company. Kathy's going to be working with me directly to help train our team so that whether it's myself, whether it's Kathy, or whether it's one of our other really outstanding team members that's out to your home to help you when you have one of those events, you know you're going to get the absolute best service and expertise out there in the area. And again, it's not some fly-by-night company coming in just because there was a weather event.
Yes.
We're here. You know, we're members of the community. We live here. We work here. Our families are here.
Right.
And that's where we stake our name, and we take a
Right.
lot of pride in that.
Right, right. Like I said, being in the two different chambers, they're large, and my name's at stake.
Yep.
My reputation is at stake.
Absolutely.
And they refer me to people knowing that we're going to do things on the up and up and really take care of the homeowner.
Again, always comes back to we hop to it to help, right?
We have to it.
It's so simple, but it's true.
It is.
So
I'm proud to be Kanga Kathy.
that's right. Well, we're excited to have you, Kathy. I hope everyone out there is excited too. Be on the lookout, whether it's at one of our next networking events, maybe at your home or your business. You're very likely going to see Kathy drop in. Hope you say hi to her and welcome her a part of the team.
Yep.
Thanks so much, everyone, for tuning in. Can't wait to hop to it again with you soon. Take care and have a great day.